Hello there, friends.
Catch me if you can.
Yoko! Stop, you're tickling me. Stop.
I win. Who wants to play with me? Oh.
Quick, let's find shelter.
Hello, butterflies. Would you like to play with us?
Sorry, it's raining. We're going back in.
Oh, there's nobody left to play with.
Don't worry now. I know someone who would love to play in the rain with us. Wait there for me.
Now, do you know anyone who would like to play in the rain with Louie?
Yes, you!
Yes, you're quite right.
Here, I brought you this to stop you from getting wet.
Thanks, Louie. Now, who would like to play with us in the rain?
So who will?
Watch this. So first, I draw a line which spirals around. Once, twice, 3 times.
What is it?
It's a shell.
That's a shell? But, Louie, that doesn't look anything like an eggshell.
But Yoko, I'm not drawing an eggshell. I'm drawing the shell of...
Yes?
Guess! I'm drawing a line starting at the back of the shell, and then I come back towards the front.
That reminds me of something.
And now I'm drawing its round head with 2 small antennae, 2 little eyes, and a nose. And it's...
A snail! Louie!